In this video we will learn how to add job title in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the organization module on top navigation bar. Click on constant form. The form consists list of forms. The user can use the search bar to find the desired form. Here you can see the Manage Job Title form. Click on Add New Job Title button. A pop-up will be visible. Define the job title and set hiring days, defined to evaluated hiring process. Enter the job description in detail. And click on Save button. The job title will be added in the list and shown in all job title drop-downs in System. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted.